Okay, this is the XbotGo Chameleon. It's an AI sports companion. So basically it replaces your cameraman. So it gives you the ability to record sports footage. It will track the ball and the players. You can set it to track the players. It's a subscription free service. Yep, so let's just move the tripod out of the way. We'll get to that later. Okay, so the XbotGo Chameleon, it has a 120-degree AI lens, player tracking, team sports tracking, and there is no subscription. So let's see what you get in here. So first of all, I think this is some sort of cloth. Yep, to clean the device. Let's see what's in here. This looks like a bag that might come with it. Yeah, that's the bag you keep it in. Okay, so this looks like the remote that you control it with. Okay, that's the remote. Comes with a USB-C cable, which is useful. This must be for charging it. And here we have the device itself. Let's see what comes with it. So there's an operation guide there, a little instruction manual. Okay, let's open the main device. It's quite heavy. So here you go. Looks like a camera that would follow the players of the ball. So assume this is how your camera would go here. And you just tighten that up. Oh, let's tighten that up. It's got nice soft pads there. And then when it's tracking it, you're recording it with this. So none of the recording is done on that device. This will go on the tripod that I'm about to unbox as well. Now, and then I assume this is where you charge it up in there. So let me go and unbox the tripod and then I'll give you an idea of how it works when we test it a bit later on. Okay, so here's the tripod. It's pretty big, but let's go and unbox this. So this is the carry case that comes with it. That keeps it all nice and secure. Let's take it out. What we've got here, we've got a weight bag. So I'm not sure, I think there is that to keep it steady if there's wind off. I'm not too sure, maybe put it on the tripod itself and hold it down. Assume that's what it's for, could be wrong. Yeah, a sandbag there, you're right. So there you go. This is the XbotGo NT4 tripod, it's aluminium. It's quite tall, that. It can go really high. Maximum height 4 meters, 13 foot high, so that's pretty high. Okay, let's put this in. The tripod itself, let's move this bag. Open it. This looks quite sturdy. Yeah. Let's try and show this base. So that's the base there. So that's all tight, you can tighten that, that's the main stand. And then tighten this one. You've got these 3 here. So obviously you can keep unloosen that and then make it higher. So it's quite high. So it says 4 meters. So I won't fold it out because I can't get that on camera. But then we've got this here, which obviously the device would just screw onto. So let's just quickly demonstrate that. That's the base there, yeah. And then this is obviously moves around. So this is how you'd want to use it. You'd have it propped up on the side, you have your phone on the top, and I'm going to give it a test at some point. I have to try it outside, get everything set up, so when you next see me it will all be ready and we can do a little test of the device and see how it performs. Make sure you download the XbotGo app. So you hold on the power button 3 seconds till it starts flashing, and then you download the XbotGo app and then you can add device. So it's going to search for it. There you go, it's found it, so we'll connect. And there we go, the Chameleon's successfully connected. So I believe I need to add the remotes. So you hold this power button until the red light starts flashing. So that's the remote connected. So now that should turn blue. So now I've got everything connected to the app. So this is the app itself. I believe you can live stream if you set it up correctly, which is kind of cool. So you could have like a local football team, you could be doing the recording, you put your phone on the top and it's sending that through 5G to YouTube or whatever, and I think that's pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is attempt to set it up outside. I'm going to use my dog as a guinea pig. I'm going to share some footage of the original, some like footage from XbotGo, which shows how does it work outside. Obviously I don't have a football team. I do like football, I've got a few footballs, so I'm going to kick the ball around with the dog and see what it does. It should track the dog maybe, but maybe it won't work, but if not, I'll show you some footage of it working in my garden. Yeah, so hopefully it works okay, and we'll give that a go now. So from the footage you can probably see it's fairly straightforward to set up and work. The remote helps, and hopefully it's been a good demonstration of the product and how it works. If you're looking for this type of AI camera for sports, then this probably is what you need. I did put some footage of the official footage from XbotGo themselves, so you can have a look at that. Well, I tried to replicate like a football game, playing with a dog and stuff, which is not ideal really, because there's lots of different options in the app, volleyball, basketball, and I had to do quite a bit of updates actually. And every time you do an update, it restarts, and then you have to do another update. It's not like it doesn't go to the end update and update everything. It just sort of like as and when, like the old style Windows updates. So you have to update it and then update it again. But once you get past that point of view, it's pretty straightforward. And you know, in the footage you can see it moving around. No complaints so far. Obviously, I've not been using it for a long time. Unfortunately, I don't have a. There is a local football club I can maybe talk to and see if they'll let me add some footage in. I might donate it to them. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully, this has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.